welcome back to the channel, everyone. And we are pulling up to a late night gas station car meet. It looks sketchy outside, I ain't gonna lie. I mean, look at it. Visibility is really bad. It was kind of wet on the road too. I was really not planning on that.
3/4 of a mile, turn right.
But hey man, it is what it is. We're gonna have to drive really, really, really careful. Should be pulling up in like a minute or two. It's kind of drizzling right now, honestly. I think we're literally gonna pull up. I think it's like right there. I think. We'll see. I've actually never been to this location, so this will be quite interesting.
Turn right, then turn left into the car park.
Yep, look at this. Holy.
Turn left into the car park.
Saw this. Yeah, I've never been to this location before. My car is so dirty too. Dang, bro. This is actually pretty nuts. I really pulled up here on slicks, like, and it's raining. Damn. This is actually packed. I can't believe it. I would park right there, but fuck it. Yeah, this is actually like pretty packed. Yeah, I'll go park like somewhere where I can easily kind of like get out. But damn. Chopping it. This guy's like behind. Yeah, he's trying to get to the pump. We literally took this bitch over. There's nowhere to park. We can't. There's literally nowhere to park. Holy cow. Oh well. Tripping, bruh. This shit gonna get popped. I'll tell you that right now. As soon as it starts to like stop raining, probably gonna dip out just because I ain't trying to really be here if there's cops pulling up. Man, I'm about to move my car right here, I ain't gonna lie. no cap though. No hood. Damn, I know he pissed. That shit not bad though. I ain't gonna lie. Very decent turnout, but I'm gonna go ahead and move my car because get it out the rain. Man, people revving. Tweaking, bruh. Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. It is the next day. Let me know what you guys thought of that late night gas station meet. We are gonna be headed out to, well, we'll see how this Cars and Coffee is gonna be. It's a little bit wet where I'm at, but it might be dry. Might not be as bad where I am headed. Hopefully, it's not as bad where I'm headed, because if it starts to like really come down, because it was raining last night, like it kind of got kind of insane. No, not really insane, but enough to where I was like driving like 40 on the highway. Let's see exactly if this Cars and Coffee is going to be decent. I don't know. In all reality, this could be a gigantic waste of time, but hey, it is what it is. We'll see. We'll see what's popping. This is like one of my preferred spots too, but hey. The weather these past couple days, honestly this whole week, has been horrible. Oh, it's actually really starting to come down now. Low key. It's actually starting to come down. I don't know, y'all. You might say screw it. In all reality, oh, it actually is. It's like legit starting to come down. We'll see. Dang, man, it wasn't supposed to rain this morning either. That's like the annoying part. Supposed to rain this morning. Alright, y'all, I'll catch up with you guys when we get kind of close to the spot. It's kind of slowing down for all I know, man. It could be dry where I'm going. That's Houston for you.
A few moments later.
Well, it's not looking good, y'all. It looks like it's worse over here, so I don't know. I might just pop a UE and go back home, I'm not gonna lie, because if it is raining pretty hard here, or at least it looked like it did, it's 100% dead at the spot that I'm about to go to, so I might just abort mission in all reality. I'm not like too far out from it, but it's like, what is the point? Because yeah, I mean, looking it out, and I'm on radials too, so I might just abort mission, honestly. I think I'm gonna abort mission. It's just too crappy outside. Oh well, it wasn't supposed to rain this morning. Oh well, I'm just gonna abort mission. Alright, made it back to the casa. Man, that sucked. I was not anticipating it to rain this morning. It's supposed to actually clear up later today, so maybe we'll be able to pop up to a Cars and Coffee tomorrow. I don't know, but I'll keep you guys updated. These ET Street R's, I'm honestly kind of surprised. I was going 40, but I'm honestly kind of surprised. Be safe out there, y'all, man, especially if you're on a drag pack, because people on the highway, they don't care, and obviously you gotta drive for other people when, you know, you're on a tire like this. So if you guys enjoy, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Deuces.